Good morning, everyone. I am Mary Chrissy Gomez, and I'm honored to be your reporter for today. Finally, we are down to our country's second to the last local theorist, and today I will address Prepare Me interventions in the quality of life in advanced progressive cancer patients by Dr. Carmencita Abaquin. Before we get into the meat of this talk, I'd want to present to you the topic outline. First, we will discuss about the theorist, major concepts, meta-paradigm, followed by conceptual model, findings and recommendation, and lastly, the application of the theory. About the theorist, personal and educational background. Dr. Carmencita Abaquin obtained her nursing degree in 1962, completed her baccalaureate nursing degree in 1969, followed by her master's science in nursing in 1975, doctorate degree in 2000, all from the University of the Philippines. Career. She immersed herself in the nursing education as a professor for 35 years at the University of the Philippines College of Nursing. Dr. Abaquin became the chairman of the Board of Nursing from November 2006 to January 2016, leading the board to develop significant projects, one of which is the National Nursing Care Competencies. She also worked on establishing linkages with other countries aiming to globalize the nursing curriculum. Awards and honors. Dr. Abaquin continues to serve through engaging in professional, socio-civic, and religious activities such as participation in Commission on Higher Education Technical Committee in Nursing and a leadership role in UP-PHG School of Nursing Alumni Association. Her latest appointment as chairman of the Board of Nursing speaks of her competence and integrity in the field she has chosen. Content of the theory. Major concepts. Prepare Me, a holistic nursing intervention, are the nursing interventions provided to address the multidimensional problems of cancer patients that can be given in any setting where patients choose to be confined. This program emphasizes a holistic approach to nursing care. The holistic nursing intervention of Abaquin's Prepare Me theory focuses on the problems that cancer patients often experience. Prepare Me has the following components. The first one, the presence in prayer. It refers to being with another person during the times of need. This includes therapeutic communication, active listening, and touch. An example of presence is a story I read on the internet about a Filipina nurse from Saudi Arabia who has a patient with a breast cancer. The patient would always lie on her bed or sit on her bed with oxygen cannula as a constant aid for better breathing. She was always alone and had no one to talk to. The nurse constantly checked on her if she's fine and if the supplement of oxygen is on, visiting her often and asking her how she is. And because of that, the patient was able to be comfortable with the nurse, and she would always have this smile on her face whenever the nurse was around. So, presence is actually constantly making your patients feel that they are being cared for out of concern and that we're out of requirement. Make sure your patients understand that they are more than just patients and that they deserve to be treated with dignity and peace. Nurses should always provide presence as a part of their care. They should not only be physically there, but they need also be willing to forsake feelings of form and serenity. For the prayer, patients often verbalize their unpreparedness, being afraid to die, and the inability to accept the illness and fate, stating they would often ask God, "Why me? Out of the people, why did you choose me?" So, nurses should extend to provide physical comfort, simple measures such as silence, taking time to listen, sharing stories about hope and faith, connecting them to God through prayer, and in this way, it could make them feel that we, as nurses, truly care for them. Reminisce therapy. This is the recall of past experiences, feelings, and thoughts to facilitate adaptation to present circumstances. In reminiscence therapy, it should be when you let your patients share their lives before they had their illness. What job did he or she have before? What hobbies do they love to do? In this way, he or she might feel more comfortable around you. These concepts provides the patient with a sense of fulfillment and comfort as you look back in their lives. Relaxation breathing. Techniques to encourage and elicit relaxation for the purpose of decreasing undesirable signs and symptoms such as pain, muscle tension, and anxiety. Another example of relaxation breathing is what I read a story on the internet where a nurse was able to apply the concept of relaxation from Abakin's Prepare Me theory to her patient. Her patient had a chemo treatment that affected her hair growth. The patient's hair was like a bird's nest and very tangled. The nurse and her companion suggested shampooing the patient's hair, but she would always decline. The nurse told the patient that it might help her feel better. And surprisingly, the patient agreed. They did the procedure and the patient smiled. This might have meant she might have felt relaxed. Meditation encourages an illicit form of relaxation for the purpose of altering patient's level of awareness by focusing on an image or thought to facilitate inner sight, which helps establish connection and relationship with God. It may be done through the use of music and other relaxation techniques. It may vary from patient to patient, but this concept greatly helps cancer patients to lessen anxiety, depression, and pain that they have been suffering from. Meditation also relieves stress, fatigue, and improves the quality of sleep and mood. Values clarification. Assisting another individual to clarify his own values about health and illness in order to facilitate effective decision-making skills. Through this, the patient develops an open mind that will facilitate acceptance of disease state or may help deepen or enhance the values. The process of values clarification helps one become internally consistent by achieving closure between what we do and what we feel. The concept of value clarification helps patients learn more about themselves and develop reasonable goals. This will allow patients to make positive changes to their lifestyle so that they can live up to their values. Meta-paradigm. The theory of Carmencita Abaquin did not specifically mention her definitions of the major paradigms, like the person, health, nursing, and environment. However, by understanding her theory, we can deduce some implications of her views. Nursing. The goal of nursing care is the improvement of quality of life for advanced stage cancer patients despite of their current situation. Person. Her theory is specific to patients in advanced stages of cancer. They are a holistic being with physical, psychological, social, religious, level of independence, and environmental aspects. Health. The concept of her theory revolves around illness, particularly cancer, in the provision of holistic care to improve quality of life despite of their terminal cases. So, quality of life is defined as a multifaceted construct that encompasses the individual's capabilities and abilities of enriching life when it can no longer be prolonged. Environment. Just like all the other paradigms, environment was not defined accurately. Nevertheless, we can assume that environment is an aspect or dimension integrated to the cancer patient. Her quality of life can also be assessed in this aspect, thus, it must be given consideration in the provision of care. Conceptual model. The holistic nursing intervention Prepare Me theory has these following concepts: the presence, the reminiscence therapy, the prayer, relaxation activities, meditation, and value clarification. This talks about the terminally ill patients which is the cancer patients, that encompasses the physical, psychological, social, religious, level of independence, environment, and spiritual. Applying this holistic nursing intervention to the terminally ill patients such as cancer patients or other chronic diseases will lead to a symptom of relief, which is the quality of life which I stated earlier. The Prepare Me theory provides a framework for non-pharmacology, non-surgical care of cancer patients in advanced stages. It focuses not on curing, but on assisting patients to explore their humanity and internal serenity as they face the challenges of life and death. Nurses must be seen not as caregivers but as facilitators of peaceful acceptance of conditions. Findings and recommendation. 1. Terminally ill patients require holistic approach of nursing that encompasses the different aspects of man, namely physical, psychological, social, religious, level of independence, environment, and spiritual. In this premise, patients with incurable illness, specifically cancer patients, require whole-faceted care that will improve the quality of their lives. 2. Prepare Me interventions are said to be effective in improving the quality of life of cancer patients. This can be further applied not only with terminally ill patients, but promisingly introduced to those patients with acute and chronic diseases and those with prolonged hospital days. 3. The utilization of the intervention as a basic part of care given to cancer patients is recommended, as well as the incorporation of the intervention in the basic nursing curriculum in the care of these patients. The said component of Prepare Me must be introduced and focused during the training of nurses both in the academe and practice to answer the needs of these special kinds of clients. 5. For patients, an honest view and feedback regarding their illness and management and obtaining their perceptions can lead to improvement of services and communication between patients with advanced progressive cancer, their families, and health team. 6. Supportive environment where patients with advanced progressive cancer and the terminally ill patients can attain dignity of dying with peace while their families are given the necessary to support they need to cope up with. Thus, healthcare professionals and family members have to provide this kind of venue whether in the home or hospital setting. This will remain holistic support for this special type of clients. Application of the theory. Nursing. The goal of nursing is to improve the quality of life for advanced stage cancer patients. Nurses assist patients to explore their humanity and internal serenity as they face challenges of life and death. Education. The components of Prepare Me will help nurses both in the academe and practice to answer the needs of these special kinds of clients. Research. Carmen Abaquin's Prepare Me implies a type of nursing care or holistic care that deals how to care cancer patients and other chronic diseases. So here are my references. To sum up my report, having this information prior to impending death provides direction, but it does not prevent emotion from leaving the charge. For end-stage terminally ill patients, they will continue to accept and relieve and see treatments beyond logical hope. To achieve this, palliative care should become standard of care upon the diagnosis of late-stage cancers, not only to give hope, but also to enable access to a devoted care provider who can provide comfort in the final stages of life. At the end of it, I would like to leave this relatable saying from my topic that we future nurses can relate. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. That's all. Thank you.